Hello everyone, this is TracerPixel128, and just to let you all know that I'm doing okay. I moved to a new location, and this is my new studio. Here's my monitor, my keyboard and mouse. Over there is my internet, it's the cable modem and the router. And then over here is just a pencil cup full of tools and a printer. Over here is my main computer, and on top of the printer is the laptop, and there's like a whole bunch of stuff over there, including, you can barely see it, my HP Pro 3000, which I'll probably show off again in a future video, so stay tuned for that. And just to reassure you all, I am not quitting YouTube. Far from it. I will still be making videos no matter what. I barely see my hand because I'm so far away, but yeah, I'm not going to quit YouTube and I will still be making videos. I just haven't been able to because, well, in the middle of moving and I've been very tired lately and dealing with all this, but it is pretty much over with. And I'm in a much better place than where I was. And I'm thinking about rebranding the channel a little bit. That's why my channel art now says rebooting October, because I'm going to build my channel back up again, because it's been a while since my last video. And I'll be still be making the same content that you guys have been enjoying for the past few years or so. Trying to branch out, of course, and maybe try out some other stuff too. Could do some gaming stuff. Could get back into live streams. Who knows what the future holds? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and more videos will be coming soon in the near future, so stay tuned. And I'd like to thank you all for watching.